Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, only to end up with mediocre meals? Meet the pressure cooker that's changing the game for home cooks everywhere. Customers rave about its multiple functions and user-friendly features. Imagine making dinner in half the time and with better flavor. This pressure cooker is praised for its fucking speed, making meal prep a breeze. It's not just quick, it ensures your food is evenly cooked and delicious. From rotisserie chicken to pulled pork, every meal comes out perfect. The pot is easy to clean, with no extra dishes to wash. 540 customers mention its functionality, with 402 positive reviews. It's a worthwhile investment that works great as a rice cooker too. The included recipes are well thought out and delicious. 253 customers highlight its ease of use, with simple instructions and pre-programmed options. It's perfect for making large batches of yogurt with minimal effort. The technical details are better than prior models, making it safer and easier to clean. 238 customers love its cooking speed, saying it preheats quickly and saves time. It's great for meal prep, allowing you to set it and forget it. 190 customers praise the cooking quality, saying it cooks food to perfection. The pot ensures even cooking of meats and soups, making every meal a delight. 127 customers appreciate its easy cleaning, with dishwasher-safe parts. The stainless steel construction looks great and is easy to maintain. 123 customers like its size, ideal for large meals but compact enough for small kitchens. It can fit whole chickens and holds 3 1-quart mason jars. 119 customers have mixed opinions about heat distribution, but many find it efficient. It functions well as both a slow cooker and a pressure cooker. 114 customers have mixed opinions about build quality, but many find it durable and reliable. The heavy bottom ensures even heat distribution, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Customers love the Stay Cool silicone handles for easy transfer. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is an excellent multi-cooker with various functions. It's perfect for small to medium families and comes with an app for meal inspiration. Everyone who owns this product loves it, saying it's a game changer in the kitchen. It's efficient, versatile, and makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Why don't you have one already? The Instant Pot is truly a kitchen game changer.